Yo, what is up, guys? Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn your Lectric XP 3.0 into a chopper motorcycle. Alright, since we haven't had any motorcycle content on the channel since my accident, well, we're gonna transform this bad boy into a chopper motorcycle. Now, to get started, this will only work on the Lectric models that are foldable ones. Poop. It would only work on the foldable ones, I'm pretty sure. One's like the XP Premium with the mountain bike style one. I don't think that'll work. It's got to be one of these. So, like, the Lectric XP 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and the Light. Basically, any of them that just have the tall bars like this. Alright? So, let's get right into this. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is your seat post. You're going to want to loosen it, and what you're going to do is you're going to put it all the way down, alright? You're going to put it all the way down just like that, and then you're going to tighten it. Alright, the next thing you're going to want to do with your electric bike is we're going to go to the front right here. Right where the front, if you can see this right here, we zoom in on that. This lever right here to loosen that, and what you're going to do is you're going to raise the handlebars as high as they can go, alright? That seems to be the limit right there. And there you go. That is how you turn your Lectric XP 3.0 into a chopper motorcycle. Just look at this right here. Look at that. Alright? So now, what you're going to do, there's actually one more step. You want to make sure your electric chopper motorcycle is as fast as possible. And there's a way to do that. So, what we're going to do is, I already got the battery in here. We're going to put the keys, we're just going to put them in. Just like that. We're going to turn, so basically, you're going to put the battery in, you're going to turn the bike on. Alright? Like that. Okay. So now what you do from here, you're going to hold down the plus and minus button at the same time, and it should bring you to a different screen. Alright, so once you did that, once you're on this screen, you're going to use the plus button to navigate, see where it says 01, oops, hold on. See where it says 01P, you're going to use the power button, and you're going to cycle through until you get to 08, I'm sorry. Alright, so once you're on 08, you will notice, if you haven't done this already, all electric bikes ship and get delivered as a Class 2 e-bike, which means 20 miles per hour is the top. Sorry, let's go back to that. So if you want to make this beast go as fast as you can, where it says 32, you're gonna use the plus. Yep, you're gonna hit the plus button like this, and you're going to set it to 100. There, once you set it to 100, you've unlocked the max speed in the bike. So then, to save, you're going to click the power button. I'm sorry, you're going to hold these down again. You're going to go back to the home screen. And basically, when you turn this off, you turn it back on, should be all set. This is so bad because just see how low the seat is. Look at how high the bars are. Like, this feels awesome. Look at this. Like, look at how high the bars are. Isn't this freaking cool? There you go. And that is how you turn your Lectric XP 3.0 into a chopper motorcycle. Subscribe.